just working on the railing for the interior stairs here. And so we have these kind of spigots, a little different than the ones that we're using on the deck. So these are surface mount, and so this trim piece hides the hardware in there. So we've got 4 of the GRK 3/8 by 6" screws into the solid LVLs that are underneath here that carry the load for the stairs. And so this section I've installed 2 of the spigots, and so I'm just getting ready to set the panel in place. And then I've got the wall bracket set up here. So I've got the laser set up, getting a nice 90-degree from down at that end across here and across the edge of the stairs here. So I got a mark up here, and then the offset from the edge of the laser to the slot for the glass, and then where my stud is. So there's a stud here, and so then this bracket will basically get screwed in like that. So I just need to bring the glass in now and level the glass, and then fine tune where this goes. So let's do that. Okay, there we have it. Railing installed. So pretty simple. Created the 90 degrees on the floor, put the spigots, mounted those in place, based on the spacing. And then, yeah, you just slide the glass panels in, make sure it's level. So I use the wall bracket, make sure it's level there, tighten it down, tighten the spigots down, and then set this section of railing. Made sure that the glass was able to meet both of these at a nice 90-degree angle. Everything was all nice and level and plumb. And then just put the glass to glass brackets that kind of hold it all in line and add to the strength. So that looks great. A little bit of cleanup, and then obviously I need to take down the old 2x4s that were there for our temporary railing. So I'll take those off, and yeah, it looks good. Okay, there's what it looks like without those temporary supports. So looks pretty good. I still have this temporary support to hold the railing, the temporary railing going down the stairs. I'll have to take this board off. Again, that was when we had the drywall being done. It was used to put the scaffolding across. So I'll be able to take that off. And once we figure out what we're doing with the stairs, haven't decided on the stairs yet, how we're gonna build that. But anyways, so just a little bit of cleanup on the glass. Get some Windex. Some of the tape is leaving some residue, but other than that, looks pretty good. So those spigots look nice here. And yeah, looking good. All right, time to go work on something else.